Yo guys, what's up? Here we are in the Thinkorswim platform, looking at the options trade. It's options expiration week. All the options expire today on April 16th. So I do have a couple in the money still that I haven't handled yet for BlackBerry. So let's see if I can roll this out to another expiration period. I want to try to go at least a month. I could probably go 2 months just to give it time to work itself out, because you never know when BlackBerry is going to pop again. So I'm going to go out to the monthly, and the credit does not look so good there. So let's go out 2 months. Not too far. To June. Yeah, $13, not great, but I'll take it. Since we're pretty deep in the money, not much I can do about it. Oh. Alright. Let's see. And it filled. Yep, good. So BlackBerry, this one is also deep in the money, a little deeper in the money. $20. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to roll this. I might have to employ another trick. I'll show you guys. So, yeah, it doesn't look good at all. So I'm going to go out to June as well. So June. Yeah, see? It's not good. $1. So the little trick is to roll up the strike to a diagonal to 21. Now it's going to give us a little bit of credit, and hopefully the stock will pop and I'll be able to close this option. So I don't want to get too greedy, but I am getting a little premium. So I went up $1 in strike, which is an extra $100 in risk. So I'm getting compensated up front for that risk, in addition to a $1.07 premium plus trades cost. And let's see if it goes through. So hopefully it will. And it's working. So doesn't look like it wants to execute. Alright, so let's replace it. Let's go a cent lower, which still lets it work out. So they've both been filled. So you can see it was a diagonal order. Alright guys, I think that wraps it up for this portfolio for this option cycle. We'll revisit this later, because still I got some available dollars. So I'll liquidate FSK if needed, if I get into trouble for some cash. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next options trade, Be With TradeStation, coming shortly. Make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.